What up, TikTok? You know what time it is. It's time to make dinner for them greedy ass kids. But today, we eating something different. It's Taco Tuesday, so them kids is having tacos. But we having some shrimp and crab ceviche. Yes. Yes, we are, Pookie. Because we grown, okay? So, are you ready? Let's make some ceviche. Cue the motherfucking voiceover. Here we go. We got some cilantro, some green onions, some little sweet peppers, some lemons, some cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, frozen crab lump meat, jumbo shrimp, vinegar, tomato ketchup, cocktail sauce, salt, and pepper, baby. These are all the things you're going to need, okay? We're going to put a pot of water to boil. We're going to clean our shrimp, and we're going to boil our shrimp with the shell on. This is the way that I do it because it helps the shrimp retain their shape. We're going to add some salt. We're going to add some chicken bouillon powder to the pot. We're going to add the shrimp. And as soon as we put the shrimp in, we're going to stir the pot and take them right out. We're just going to poach the shrimp. We don't want to do too much to it. Okay, Bookies? See, we're taking them right out. Literally right out. You don't want them to cook all the way through because the citrus from the lime and the vinegar are going to cook it. Now we're going to clean our shrimp. We're going to take the shell off. But I like to leave the tail on because that's my preference. You do what you do, and I'm going to do what I do, okay? This is our lump crab meat, baby, and we're putting it in there. We are now going to squeeze some motherfucking fresh lemon. If you want to use lemon juice out of the bottle, that's your business. We don't judge over here, okay? We're going to slice these lemons up, and we'll be right back. All this lemon juice made, all these lemons made about right under a half a cup of, 1 cup of lemon juice, and we're also gonna add a half a cup of vinegar to this right here. We're gonna mix, add a little bit of salt and pepper, and put it in the refrigerator to marinate while we continue to work on our veggies, okay? See how we're doing it right here? Mix, and put it in the motherfucking refrigerator, okay? Leave it the fuck alone. Now we're gonna chop our tomatoes. You can chop your tomatoes as big or as small as you want. It's a preference thing. I like my ceviche to be rather chunky, so I cut them kind of on the smallish medium side. But you cut it the way you want. Here we are cutting our small little sweet peppers. Again, you cut everything to the size preference that you prefer. Me and my daughter, because we are the only ones that eat this in my house, prefer it on the little bit on the chunky side. Here we are adding it to the bowl. We're gonna add everything to one bowl. And we're gonna chop this cucumber the way we should have chopped that motherfuckers that broke our heart and made us cry. Okay? But you know what? Stay focused. Here we are with the chopped cucumber. And we're putting it in the bowl. And now we're gonna chop up these green onions and the cilantro stems and all. I cut the bottoms off, and we're gonna cut this motherfucker entirely. You hear me? You wanna pick off the leaves from the stems? I love that for you, but I'm not doing that. What? Right into there it all goes, okay? And now we're gonna chop up this onion, and we're gonna fry it a little bit. I'm gonna show you right now, but we're gonna cut it like this. You cut the onion the way you want it. If you wanna dice it, go ahead. If you wanna add it to the ceviche raw, you can. I kind of like to cook out that little onion smell that onions have. So we're gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil. EBT hasn't hit, otherwise we would have been using avocado oil, but we broke right now, so you already know we're gonna use what the fuck we got. We're gonna add our onions in and just give it like a light fry. Nothing too crazy. We don't want it to completely wilt down. We just kind of want the onion to give the oil a nice onion oil flavor, and we're gonna add it right to the pot. Wah, just like that. Make sure you get all that good onion out, and make sure you get it all into the pot. And now we're gonna add my 2 secret ingredients. Don't come for me if I didn't send for you. This is my ceviche, JBche. We're adding about half of that bottle of cocktail sauce and maybe like a 1/4 cup of ketchup. Yes, baby. And this is how our shrimp and crab is looking after it marinated for about an hour. We're gonna put it all together. Mix. Okay, look at this. You know you want a fucking bowl. You know you want a bowl. Okay? And now I'm calling baby girl so she can come upstairs and try it for you. Greedy, like we didn't even press play on the thing. Baby girl's gonna try it for y'all. Big baby girl, the blessing and the curse is gonna taste it for y'all. It's been sitting for about an hour. Is it good? Is it great? Is it busting? Best you ever had? That's raw. Oh, see, that's what happens. Anyway, we hope you all ate good and you have a good day.